What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Flicking on My Big Tarot, here where I bring you the beauty, juice, and spiritual truth. I'm your spirit guide host, Miss DC, and today, you guys, we are back with another general reading for the sign of Scorpio. Yes, Scorpio. Please understand this will not apply to every single Scorpio, as every single Scorpio is not going through the same scenario. Cross watchers, anybody outside the Scorpio energy, you're more than welcome to join in, tune in. But please utilize this information for its most positive purpose. Spirit told me to talk to you, so I will be talking to you guys with my Modern Witch Tarot and my Kipper deck. For more information, everything will be in the description box below. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And if this is so, drop it to my Cash App, leave a comment, and let me know. Without further ado, Scorpio, reading is for you. So we have a main male. Either you're the main male or there's a main male around you right now. Somebody who might be middle-aged. I'm going to say anywhere from 35 and up, possibly. This is either for somebody who's 35 and up, or there's someone around you who's a masculine energy that's 35 and up. And you're going to court. I feel like Scorpio, you're dressing up to go to court. And you may be going to court with someone of the opposite sex. Yeah. You're going to court. See that? The masculine and the masculine end up on the same side, and there's a feminine on the other side. So it just makes me believe in the judge. I feel like is listening to you, and you see how his direction is towards you. I feel like the judge has some information about you, and they're kind of wanting to see what you're going to say. Like they're just gonna say how I'm just kind of curious on what he's going to say. Like I feel like somebody is really interested in what you're wanting to say. It's kind of like if a judge said in his mind, he's like, something about this cat here makes me want to really figure out what he's going to say. Like it could have been somebody else and they're like, you know what, I just don't want to hear what this guy has to say. I really don't even care. It could be saying this in their mind. You know what I'm saying? You never know what a person is thinking or saying, but it's something about you. I feel like that they're going to read something and they're going to feel a particular type of way about you based off of what's on this paper. But I feel like they see what's on this paper and then they see you. Like, I mean, I see this is a 35 and older, just well-dressed, presents himself well, a little quiet. And I kind of want to hear what he has to say. To some extent, I'm picking that up. So you're going to be going to court soon, possibly. And if you're not somebody who's going to court, this isn't for you. Okay. And you're going to come in a main man and you're going to leave out a wealthy one, possibly. Or the other person is going to come out wealthy. So somebody's going to, so you see how, and whoever this person is, the wealthy man, it doesn't have to be, well, hold on. Now you see how we sew this. You have you on this side and you have this feminine energy on this side. Now, I feel like this feminine energy may have an attorney, and a good one or a wealthy one. Either the feminine energy has a really good attorney, or this feminine energy is a masculine type of individual. This feminine energy might be somebody who's like bossy and like tell it to you straight. Like, I'm gonna say it to your face. I don't give a fuck. Like, somebody like that. And it's either one of those two scenarios. Either this person is like a very masculine person, like this person will like push you. You know what I'm saying? Like they might physically like push you or get aggressive with you. This is like a very masculine energy, but I feel like the feminine energy is either masculine or somebody has a really good attorney. It's kind of what I'm picking up. One of those two scenarios. Either way, y'all better get prepared for court. I hated them days. I'm glad they over. Bottom of the deck. Yes, I feel like whatever happens, it's going to be equal. Or maybe it's going to find in favor of you. It's going to be equal for you. So if, hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is one of those situations where if it's child support, you may not have been able to see your child as much, or there wasn't a set time for you to see your child. Now there's an order and you get to see your child in exchange for child support, unfortunately. Or this could be a situation where maybe you want to get divorced and you all split everything half and half. Whatever monies, if you have a home and you had to sell your home, maybe you and the other person was able will came up with an agreement to get it split down the middle, whatever it is, or you take this and I take that and we just have that understanding like that's fair. This is, I feel like, going to be the outcome or the starting energy to an extent. Or maybe this is what you're looking for, to just have equal give and take. And I feel like because this is the Six of Pentacles, this is money. So something involving money. It doesn't always just have to be child support. It doesn't necessarily have to be marriage. It could be somebody got into a car accident and insurance versus, you type of situation. And it's like you or the other driver. You know what I'm saying? It could be any form of a court issue. You could be going to, what do they call it? Pro something. I forget what they call it. It's like pro something. It's like not probate. This is like with houses. You know what I'm saying? You got to go to a certain court. Not a circuit court, but not a probate court. Is it probate court? Like probate for like a home or something like that. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I feel like you just want this to be over. I just want it to be over. I feel like you want to let bygones be bygones and just kind of, I feel like you want to just settle this. I feel like you want to just make this fair. You want to settle this, or maybe this is the other person. They just want to get this over with. They want to just settle it. Let's just, I feel like they want to settle this. And it could even be kids, only because the Six of Pentacles. You see, you got the two little girls down here. Could be a daughter picking up heavy feminine energy. That whatever this is for if it's for someone, if you're trying to do it for someone, let's say child support, maybe you have a daughter. There are two little girls here. So it could be a daughter, it could be a son. I mean, that's if it's a child support court order, or maybe you're trying to get full custody or something like that. Yeah, I feel like you don't have any love for this person. I feel like you don't have any love for this person because even though you want to clear it up, it's like, I want to clear it up, but I still don't really care for you. I don't have any emotion toward you. I feel like this person, like you're gonna have to pay this person. I feel like you're gonna have to, Scorpio, you're gonna have to pay this person because this person ends up being wealthy. So they've collected or they've obtained some form of wealth from you. And I feel like you might feel like it's fair, but you still are not emotionally connected to it. But you're also kind of like obsessed with the situation. You might be addicted to it. It's like you're addicted to making something fair. It's like, I am obsessing over this being fair. Like, this is going to go the way I want it, and I want it to be fair. I want you to have this, and I want me to have this. And I feel like you're going to be fair about it, but you're overly obsessed, or This is a toxic situation and you just want it to be fair. Maybe it's not fair right now. Yeah, I feel like you're doing I feel like you have your head down and you're doing some really deep introspection. I feel like you know that it's fair, but you still don't want to do it. It's like, I know, I know I'm gonna have to pay child support, but I really don't. It's like I'm okay with paying child support because I know it's going to my child, but I don't want to. See, you're trying to get in a bossed up energy, or whoever you're dealing with is gonna boss up seriously. Either you with your own money or you're giving them their money and they're doing it to you. If you don't, you better